Hello and welcome to Learn English with the Bible. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to use the word look in different situations. The first thing we are going to do is to read the Bible verse to practice our pronunciation and to see how we can use this word in different contexts. But the Lord said to Samuel, "Do not look at his appearance or at his physical stature, because I have refused him. For the Lord does not see as man sees. For man looks at the outward appearance, but the Lord looks at the heart." 1 Samuel 16:7. Look how we can use this word in different contexts. The first example we have is when you look, you focus your vision on someone or something. For example, if you get to the movie late, you'll have to look for your friends in the darknet theater. Or when you look at something, you see it. This is the main meaning of this word. Another meaning we have with this word is when you look, you can describe how something appears, like when your dog looks sad or something likely to happen, or like a great day that looks like rain. Instead of this, when we are trying to find something or someone, we can use the word look. I'm looking for my keys, or I looked everywhere, but I couldn't find my glasses. And finally, we can use look when you are telling someone to be careful or to pay attention. For example, look at the time, we are late. Those are the main meaning of the word look. If you want to keep improving your English, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.